Hello students, today we will start the next lesson, that is third lesson, Discovering Tut, the Saga Continues, written by A.R. Williams. So the title of the lesson is Discovering Tut, the Saga Continues. It means we are going to discover something, and here the discovery of a Tut. A saga means the story, a legend, a long story that continues. It means the exploration or discovery of Tut is still continuing. The story that was started so many years ago, that is continuing even now. A.R. Williams, who is a writer, especially of archaeologist, and also write about geography. She also write about geographic channels, geographic magazines, and she has written this particular lesson related to discovering Tut. So, first of all, we must know who is Tut. Tut was a ruler of Egypt. He was a ruler of Egypt. Egypt in Hindi, that is मिस्र. मिस्र देश का, इजिप्ट का वो राजा था. And he was the last ruler of his family. He was the last ruler of his family. His family had survived so many centuries. They had ruled over Egypt for so many centuries, and he was the last ruler because after that there was no successor of his family. So, Tut, or Hindi it is called Tut. His dead body was discovered because 3,300 years ago, 3,300 years ago, he ruled over Egypt, and after that he was died. So when he was died, he was only of 18 or 19 years, or you can say he was at late teenage or adolescence. When he was died, he was in teenage, and due to his early death, and after there was nothing discovered about his life, his death, everyone wanted to search about him, and that's why a discovery was made by different archaeologists to find the Tut's dead body, that is called a mummy, especially in Egypt. तट की बॉडी को, डेड बॉडी को ढूंढने की कोशिश की गई थ्रू आउट 3,300 years long. At last it was discovered in 1922 and searched how it was buried at that time in the graveyard. किस प्रकार से इसको दफनाया गया था, with what type of contents it was buried then. So everything was searched there. So a research was made. So especially why this lesson has come into your syllabus, the writer tell about the technology, and the technology also related to medical. This is the main theme of the story, that the technology related to medical, or the medical technology, how it helps to discovering things, the old things, how it helps in archaeology, how it helps to find out the history, how it is so helpful for the researching the things. So how technology, especially the medical technology that is so much advanced now, how it helps in finding the different things. So story is about Tut, a ruler who had ruled before 3,300 years ago. He was died, unfortunately, at the age of 18 or 19 years. Now the mystery is that his dead body is found in 1922, and after that, in 1968, an X-ray was made of his mummy or dead body, and in 2005, a CT scan was also done, computerized tomography of the whole body, CT scan, if you know. So a CT scan was done with his body to find out that how did he die? How did this boy or the king or the ruler of Egypt die in mystical condition at the only age of 18 or 19 years? So to find out that how he died and how he lived, what was the reason of his death, to know all these things, a research was done. And even after CT scan, was it clear that how did he die, at what age he died, or the saga continues of the research of Tut, because he was one of the famous, because he was the last heir of his family. So we'll continue with the story now. Story starts from here. He was a teenager. So who was a teenager? Tut, the king of Egypt, when he was young. इजिप्ट का जो राजा था वो बिल्कुल यंग था. ही वॉज ए टीनेजर. टीनेजर मीन्स अडोलसेंस, एज ऑफ टीन, युवावस्था. व्हेन ही वॉज डाइड, कि जब वो मरा, ही वॉज इन द एज ऑफ टीनेजर और अडोलसेंस, द लास्ट ईयर ऑफ ए पावरफुल फैमिली, एंड ही वॉज अ लास्ट ईयर मीन्स सक्सेसर. ही वॉज लास्ट ईयर ऑफ हिज of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. एक ऐसी पावरफुल फैमिली का वो लास्ट ईयर था, लास्ट उत्तराधिकारी था, जिसने कि इजिप्ट के ऊपर सेंचुरीज तक रूल ओवर किया, शताब्दियों तक उसने शासन किया. ही वॉज लेड टू रेस्ट लेडन विद गोल्ड, एंड ही वॉज लेड, उसको लेड कर दिया गया, उसको लिटा दिया गया, उसको कबर में दफना दिया गया. ही वॉज बेरिड to rest, so that he could rest because he was died, laden with gold, and he was loaded with gold. उसको गोल्ड के मटेरियल के साथ लाद करके उसको दफना दिया गया, बिकॉज द पीपल ऑफ इजिप्ट वर थिंकिंग इन रीबर्थ. पुनर्जन्म के अंदर वो विश्वास करते थे. दे वर थिंकिंग इफ अ पर्सन इज बेरिड विद वट गोल्ड मटेरियल्स, ही कुड टेक these gold materials to the next birth as well, and eventually forgotten, and after that they have forgotten about it. And because he was forgotten after that, because a new ruler came there of a new family, and that's why he was, you can say, buried even in the history. But because his family was ruling for so many years, for so many centuries, they had ruled over Egypt, and that's why he was the last ruler of his family. The many researchers, archaeologists were searching that where his dead body is, how he was died, why he was died, at what age he was died, how he was living. So to research all these things, firstly his dead body was found, and when dead body was found in 1922, as in the next sentence it was given, since the discovery of his tomb in 1922. टूम मीन्स द ग्रेव. कबर से जब उसकी 1922 के अंदर जब से उसकी डेड बॉडी को डिस्कवर किया गया, द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड हैज़ स्पेकुलेटेड अबाउट व्हाट हैपन टू हिम. मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड ऑलवेज स्पेकुलेटेड. व्हाट डज इट मीन? सरमाइज, इमेजिन्ड, कल्पना करना, अनुमान लगाना. सो द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड ऑलवेज स्पेकुलेटेड अबाउट व्हाट हैड हैपन टू हिम, उसको क्या हुआ था, विद मर्डर बीइंग द मोस्ट एक्सट्रीम पॉसिबिलिटी. एंड द एक्सट्रीम पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ दैट वॉज मर्डर, कि शायद उसका ज़रूर ही मर्डर हुआ होगा, बिकॉज ही हैपेंस टू बी डाइड इन 1819 states. Now, leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years. Now, because CT scan is to be happened, and CT scan was happened in 2005, and because his discovery was made in 1922, actually his dead body's discovery is mummy's discovery. So 1922 2005, it's 83 years, more than 80 years. So now leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, ऑलमोस्ट 80 ईयर्स के बाद अपनी टूम से, अपने ग्रेव से उसको बाहर निकाला गया है सीटी स्कैन के लिए, ताकि उसका सीटी स्कैन किया जाए, उसके बारे में और ज़्यादा नॉलेज प्राप्त की जाए, उसकी बॉडी को एक एक एंगल से देखा जाए विद द हेल्प ऑफ सीटी स्कैन. सो आफ्टर 80 ईयर्स, almost 80 years, for the first time the body was removed because he is leaving his tomb or grave. Tut has undergone a CT scan. Now Tut's body has gone under a CT scan, computer tomography in scientific term, that offers new clues about the life and death. Actually the CT scan would offer new clues about his life as well as death, that how, at what stage of life, what correct age of life he had died, and how did he die, and provides precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction of the boy's pharaoh. And it would also give precise means exact data for an accurate forensic, so that they could get an accurate forensic related to science reconstruction. That is, means already might be some science investigations were done and they must be reconstructed. जो भी साइंटिफिक डिटेल्स हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेशंस हैं पहले से की गई थी, उनको दोबारा रिकन्स्ट्रक्ट किया जा सके ऑफ द वॉइस ऑफ दैट वॉइस pharaoh means ruler or the king. So a king who had ruled over Egypt 3300 years ago, he was going to be under CT scan, so that his death and his life could be recognized well, that how did he died and at what age or stage of life he had died. The next, now the atmosphere, in which atmosphere the CT scan happened. CT scan happened, that has been described. कौन से एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर, कैसे एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर ये CT स्कैन हुआ, वो एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. इट मीन्स द एटमॉस्फेयर हैज़ बीन मेड हॉरिफाइड लाइक ए हॉरर मूवी. जैसे एक हॉरर मूवी के अंदर सीन दिखाए जाते हैं, लाइक साउंड्स ऑफ घोस्ट एंड साउंड्स of different type of you can say fearful environment. In the same way, the writer also, A.R. Williams, she also have tried to make such a condition when the dead body has been removed from the grave to the CT scanner. कि ग्रेव जो डेड बॉडी है, वो जो कब्र गृह है, ग्रेव है, ग्रेवयार्ड है, उससे CT स्कैन के पास जब लेके आई गई तो उस टाइम पे कैसा माहौल था. So an angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devils as King Tut was taken from his resting place. कि जैसे किंग टट को अपने रेस्टिंग प्लेस से उठाया गया, वेयर वॉज द रेस्टिंग प्लेस, इन द एंशियंट इजिप्टियन सेमेट्री नोन एज द वैली ऑफ किंग्स. एक वैली ऑफ किंग्स के नाम से एक जगह का नाम दिया गया कि दिस इज़ वैली ऑफ किंग्स. इट मीन्स डिफरेंट ग्रेवयार्ड्स वर देयर ऑफ डिफरेंट किंग्स ऑफ हिज फैमिली, कि उसके परिवार के डिफरेंट किंग्स की ग्रेव्स थी. माइट बी ऑल द इजिप्टियन किंग्स वर देयर, देयर मम्मीज और देयर डेड बॉडीज वर बेरिड देयर. उनकी डेड बॉडीज़ को वहाँ पर दफनाया गया था. सो दैट वाज ए सेमेट्री. सेमेट्री मीन्स ग्रेवयार्ड, कबर ग्रेव जो होता है, नाउ नोन एज वैली ऑफ किंग्स, जिसको वैली ऑफ किंग्स के नाम से जाना था. माइट बी वैली ऑफ क्वींस और वॉज ऑल्सो देयर. सो किंग टट्स बॉडी वॉज जस्ट taken from his resting place, that was resting in ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of Kings. So an angry wind stirred up. एक बिल्कुल गुस्से वाला जैसे विंड है, हवा, तूफान, storm that had started up ghostly dust devils. It seems that is in form of ghost, जैसे कि भूत एकदम से चल रहा है, having dusty devils with him, like the dusty devil means the monsters, कि राक्षस है, राक्षस रूपी जैसे डस्ट है, धूल भरी जो हवाएं हैं, आंधियाँ हैं, storms हैं, they are blowing from there as the king Tut's body was taken from its resting place. So you can imagine what was the environment of atmosphere at that time. Dark bellied clouds had scudded across the desert sky, and the clouds, they were dark bellied clouds, totally darkness, बिल्कुल काले बादल हो गए हैं. It seems that a monstrous is having a stomach or a belly that is full of dark color. So dark bellied clouds had scudded across. Scudded means moved. They were moving across the desert sky. Sky was totally desert, there was nothing. So they were moving in the sky all day. कि all day ऐसा होता रहा पूरे दिन भर, because the atmosphere started even before the dead body was removed from there. It means it was already certain. Actually the graveyard was already opened during the day for the tourist. जो कब्र है वो पहले ही खोल दी गई थी ताकि टूरिस्ट है वो उसके दर्शन कर सके. एंड दैट्स वाई द एनवायरनमेंट ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड टू बी वॉस्ट. एंड नाउ वर व्हीलिंग. सो डार्क पेलिड क्लाउड्स वर स्केडिंग अक्रॉस द डेजर्ट स्काई. कि जो रेगिस्तान के जैसी जो स्काई थी, डेजर्ट स्काई थी बिल्कुल, उसके अंदर से डार्क क्लाउड्स हैं, दे हैड स्टार्टेड. एंड नाउ वर व्हीलिंग द स्टार्स. नाउ बिकॉज इट वॉज द इवनिंग टाइम, दैट्स 6 PM. सो even they were wheeling or covering the stars in cascade grey. कि जो कास्केट कलर की एक टोकरी दिखाई दे रही थी ऊपर स्काई के अंदर, ग्रे कलर के अंदर. कास्केट मीन्स अ टाइप ऑफ बॉक्स स्पेशली फॉर ज्वेलरी, बट हियर इट इज़ फॉर स्काई. सो ग्रे कलर की जो स्काई है, देयर वॉज स्टार्स इन द स्काई, एंड नाउ दीज डार्क बेलिड क्लाउड्स वर कवरिंग इवन दैम. उनको भी वो कवर कर रहे थे. एंड इट वॉज 6 PM on 5th January 2005. That was 5th January 2005, must be remembered. CT scan happened on that day, and 6 PM was the time when the dead body was removed from the grave. कब्र से जब dead body को हटाया गया. The world's most famous mummy, और ये वर्ल्ड की मोस्ट फेमस मम्मी थी, that glided head first into a CT scanner, जिसको कि ग्लाइड किया गया, मूव किया गया. सबसे पहले हेड जो पार्ट है दैट वाज मूव्ड इनटू CT स्कैनर, एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर वर द होल बॉडी पार्ट्स, और यू कैन से ओनली द स्केलेटन brought here to probe the lingering medical mysteries. So it was brought here to probe. Probe means examine. The lingering means waiting. Medical mysteries. कि जो medical mysteries हैं of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. ऐसा लिटिल यंग रूलर जो कि 3,300 ईयर्स पहले ही क्या हो गया था, ही वॉज डाइड, वो मर गया था. उसकी मिस्ट्रीज़ को सुलझाने के लिए, उसकी जो वेटिंग मिस्ट्री, बिकॉज दे वर नॉट सोल्ड इवन आफ्टर 80 ईयर्स ऑफ हिज डेड बॉडीज डिस्कवरी. सो टू सोल्व ऑल द मिस्ट्रीज बिहाइंड हिज डेथ, और हाउ ओल्ड ही वॉज एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ, टू कंक्लूड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, the body was under CT scanner, that was brought into a CT scanner to solve all these waiting or hidden mysteries of the young ruler. All afternoon, the usual line of tourists. Now the writer A.R. Williams is telling about all afternoon, the usual line of tourists, that what happened during the afternoon. आफ्टरनून के अंदर क्या हुआ, दोपहर के अंदर क्या हुआ, बिकॉज द ग्रेवयार्ड वॉज ओपन फॉर द टूरिस्ट. कब्र खोल दी गई थी ताकि उस मम्मी को टूरिस्ट भी देख सकें, वर्ल्ड के सभी लोग देख सकें कि वो कैसी दिखाई देती है, बिकॉज ही वॉज सो फेमस. ऑल्सो गोल्ड वॉज अराउंड हिम, ही वॉज लेडन विद गोल्ड, ही वॉज टोटली लोडेड विद गोल्ड. सो होल आफ्टरनून द यूजुअल लाइन ऑफ ए टूरिस्ट की लाइन लगी रही वहाँ पर. फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, पूरे वर्ल्ड से टूरिस्ट उसको देखने के लिए आए. हैड डिसेंडेड इन टू द क्रैम्प्ड, एंड दे हैड डिसेंडेड इन टू द क्रैम्प्ड रॉक कट टूम some 26 feet underground to pay their respect. So they had also come to pay their respect towards such a ruler whose family had ruled over Egypt so many years. So they had come there to respect, and they were descending, means going downstairs into the cramped. Cramped means narrow, rock cut tomb. Actually it was a big rock, एक बड़ी सी rock थी, चट्टान थी, and by cutting it a tomb was made there, rock cut tomb. It means the graveyard, the valley of kings, that was made by cutting a stone, rock, and that was also 26 feet underground there. 26 फीट अंडरग्राउंड वो लोग जा रहे थे इन ए क्रैम्प्ड स्टेयर, बिल्कुल पतली सी स्टेयर है, पतली सी जगह है, बट दे वर गोइंग देयर टू सी सच एन ओल्ड पर्सन हु was 3,300 years ago ruler of the Egypt. They gazed at the murals on the walls of the burial chamber, and they were watching towards the murals. Murals are the you can say wall paintings, भित्ति चित्र. सो वॉल के ऊपर भी पेंटिंग्स थी, चित्र थे, अलग अलग बनाए गए थे, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पिक्चर्स ऑफ माइट बी दिस टट और हिज फैमिली मेम्बर्स ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ द बरियल चैम्बर. सो द बरियल चैम्बर, जो बरियल चैम्बर था जहाँ दफनाए गए थे, ग्रेव के जो रूम बनाए गए थे डिफरेंट, उसके जो वॉल्स थे उसके ऊपर पिक्चर लगे हुए थे. दे वर गेजिंग, दे वर वॉचिंग with difficulty, they trying to recognize the persons whose painting were there, and peered at Tut's glided face, and they were also peering means just watching with difficulty, something, झांकना, झांक करके देखना. So Tut's gilded face, Tut's face was actually gilded means that is laden with gold. सुनहरा जो उसका चेहरा था, that was actually crowned with the help of gold, covered with the help of gold. The most striking feature of his mummy shaped outer coffin lid, actually he was covered with outer coffin, एक श्राउड से, कफन से क्या है उसको कवर किया गया था, जो कि मम्मी के शेप की है. So if you have seen mummy, you can recognize that, you can imagine that how a mummy looks like. So that was a striking feature, that was an attracting feature for all those who were standing there. Some visitors read from guidebooks, कुछ visitors हैं guide book में से पढ़ रहे थे, in a whisper, and they were in a whisper, very slowly they were talking about him, so that no one could hear, because there was also a fear in their mind, because they have in front of dead body. Others stood silently, दूसरे silently खड़े हुए थे. No one was making any noise, perhaps pondering Tut's untimely death in his teens. They were pondering, they were thinking about the untimely death in his late teens, कि उसकी late teens के अंदर, that is 18 and 19, because teenage starts from 12 or 13 and go up to 18 or 19. So they were thinking that why he had died in the late teens, वो इतनी जल्दी क्यों मर गया late teens के अंदर. He should have got the death at 70, 80 or 100 at that time, at least 100, or wandering with a shiver, and even with a shivering, just you can say trembling, कि वजह से वो शिवर के साथ कांपते हुए एकदम से वॉन्डर कर रहे थे, थिंक कर रहे थे. इफ़ द फेरोज कर्स, देर वॉज ऑल्सो अ रूमर अबाउट अ फेरोज कर्स, एक फेरोज कर्स, फेरो मीन्स रूलर का कर्स लगेगा हमें, श्राप लगेगा कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसकी बॉडी को टच कर रहे हैं, बॉडी को देख रहे हैं. Sometime a question comes that what was a Pharaoh's curse? Actually Pharaoh's curse was death or misfortune will fall or falling upon those who disturbed him was really true. कि कोई भी अगर उसको डिस्टर्ब करेगा, actually he was sleeping there and they were watching, they were even whispering, they were also reading guidebooks, so they were around him just. So there was such a curse about Pharaoh's curse about a ruler, दैट डेथ और मिसफॉर्चून फॉलिंग अपॉन दोज हु डिस्टर्ब हिम, कि जो भी उसको डिस्टर्ब करेगा उसको क्या होगा, उसको डेथ आएगी या फिर कोई मिसफॉर्चून आएगी, उसके साथ कोई दुर्घटना होगी. दैट वाज ए फेरोज कर्स, एंड दे वर थिंकिंग वाज रियली दैट ट्रू, क्या ये वास्तव में सच है. दे वर थिंकिंग विद शिवर, दे वर ऑल्सो वॉन्डरिंग विद शिवर, ट्रेम्बल करते हुए, काँपते हुए खड़े थे कि कहीं ऐसा उनके साथ तो सच तो नहीं हो जाएगा, बिकॉज दे वर डिस्टर्बिंग हिज स्लीप. So that's all for today. We will continue